has been involved in self-funding through government funding because you couldn't take such a large population and get people to invest from the outside. Now that you have the ecosystem and the infrastructure, how are you going to compete against Saudi, against Hong Kong, against Silicon Valley, Austin, in order to attract both entrepreneurs but outside capital into your amazing growing company? Because you need those two things, the internal and the external capital. What's the value proposition, and how will you bring people in?
First of all, I would like to share my thought on competition and collaboration. So this is not the time to compete to each other, rather to collaborate to each other. You know, we want to be self-reliant country. We want to be self-reliant, smart Bangladesh, but not self-centric. We want to collaborate and cooperate with the other partners and potential our future leaders, because the unique proposition of our country, of Bangladesh, is we have a large population and we have a large middle-income affluent consumers. Currently, we have 30 million middle-income affluent consumers, according to the Boston Consulting Group, and that is going to be 50 million middle-income affluent consumers by 2025, because they have the purchase capacity to use digital devices. They want to use all the modern facilities. These are the market size, what can attract foreign investors. And also recent time, Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, actually she is the main strength of our progress, because she is very much visionary and also tech savvy and very open-minded. Honorable Prime Minister believes that government should not do the business, government should create the business-friendly environment. And also what we follow, that our youth should try to be entrepreneur, not only job seeker. They should try to be job creator. And that is why from our university level, we have started student to startup project. We provide them training, we provide them mentoring support. We are going to set up university incubation centers. At the same time, we have established Startup Bangladesh Limited Company, which is government owned and government funded startup venture company. So we match some funds with the other local and foreign investors. And by this way, we are attracting our foreign investors because we have huge MAC population. We are growing over the last 10 years. Our GDP growth is above 6%. Only 1 year during the COVID time, it was below 5. Otherwise, we are continuing above 6%. And also we have a vibrant startup culture and also very much business-friendly environment and very stable political situation. So all this actually attracts our foreign investor to come and invest, and also some multinational companies, some international players, they're also having partnership with our local startups. Because government as a client also, we have huge potential, because in our power energy, in our railways, our health, education, land, these are the $1 billion ministries, their market size. We need to actually procure and we need to introduce many of our new solutions, and that is why Bangladesh market is very much attractive for the ICT entrepreneur and IT investors.
That's an extraordinary commercial. You should go on TV. A lot of great opportunity, I'll tell you.